Hi, my name is Darren Wallman, and on this video, you will learn how to make the drum roll while playing the didgeridoo. This is the drum roll. What we're doing is we're vibrating our lips, making the drone, and letting the tongue vibrate really quickly with the air that we're pushing out with the drone at the top roof of our mouth. So I'll show you without the didge. So my tongue is the top of my tongue, close to the front top of my tongue is right on the roof of my palate, just a little ways behind my front teeth. And so I put a little bit of a pressure there and I blow it. Now if my tongue is too tight, it won't work well. If my tongue is pushing too tight on the palate of my mouth. If my tongue isn't tight enough, so I want to find that happy medium, the happy balance. My tongue is just fluttering really quickly with the air. So when I'm making the drone, I get the drone going. And then let my tongue flutter on the roof of my mouth with the drone. It takes a little bit of practice. I encourage you to practice without the didgeridoo first, just practice being able to go from that. So with the didgeridoo, again, I get the drone going. Once the drone is going, I add my tongue flutter, or what they call a drum roll, into it. Like that. I'll demonstrate it again. That's what I'm doing with my lips. So I'm going to get the drone going. I'll do the tongue roll, and then I'll stop the tongue roll, go back to the drone, and then I'll do it without the didgeridoo. Now we can also practice this with the cheeks out and the cheeks in. Usually I do the cheeks in when I'm doing the drum roll. It's a little bit crisper, a little cleaner sound, but again, it's good to practice it both ways. So with my cheeks out, with my cheeks pulled in. And practice this with your cheeks out, pulling them in, pulling them back out, so you can you get a nice variation on that drum roll sound. So I'll demonstrate. So again, what I'm doing, so this, I'm making my lips tighter and then looser, tighter and looser. So I'll do it with my hand. So this is tighter and this is looser. And you can also obviously see on my cheeks. My cheeks are out, it's going to be looser. My cheeks are in, it'll be tighter. And that's the drum roll. I hope you found this video helpful. There's some more information about this technique and some text below that has more information about my didgeridoo lessons and my circular breathing lessons, and also a little bit more about what I do and who I am. Thank you so much, and have the best day ever.